Today we will discuss most important chemistry question answer. First question: what is the chemical name of baking soda? Answer: sodium bicarbonate. Second question: what is the chemical name of bleaching powder? Answer: calcium hypochlorite. Third question: which acid is present in ant stings? Answer: formic acid. Next question: which gas is responsible for global warming? Answer: carbon dioxide. Next question: what is the chemical formula of marble? Answer: calcium carbonate. Next question: what do you call a substance that turns red limit blue? Answer: base. Next question: what is the chemical symbol of iron? Answer: Fe. Next question: which element is essential for making nuclear fuel? Answer: uranium. What is the process of supporting a sodium from a liquid by heating? It is called evaporation. Next question: what is the common name of the H2SO4? Answer: sulfuric acid. Next question: what is the common name of NaOH? Answer: sodium hydroxide.